guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. Before I get into anything, if you're new here, subscribe if you would like to. I mean, like, I do make some pretty awesome videos, so I think you'd want to be subscribed so you can watch the videos and join the fam. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and click the notification bell so you know that every time that I upload a video and every time that I upload onto my wall on my YouTube channel. So, today's video is going to be Ipsy versus Sephora, and I think that's going to be like the Sephora play, and I think that's going to be very interesting to see what kind of different things you would get in the Ipsy bag and what kind of different things you get when you do the Sephora play. So without further ado, let's get right on into the video. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to go over is the Ipsy bag. This is what the bag looks like this month. In an Ipsy bag, you pay $10 a month. You get a little bag every month, and you get 5 samples on the inside. It's $10. And the first thing we get, I'll show you because they don't fit in the bag, so they'll just come in your little pink packaging thing, are 2 face masks. We have a face mask that is hydrated. This sheet is bananas. And this is what it looks like. And then this one is you can't handle this sheet. And this has volcanic ash in it, and this is for purifying. So purifying, and then we have a hydrating one. And I love sheet masks, and you usually get one at least once every other Ipsy bag, it seems like. So this is the bag, like I mentioned. And then you open it up, you get this card. And it just says, New Year, more products, more focus on you. And then it has stuff on the back. And it just says, welcome to your best year yet. And that they have more brands for you. This is like little information about what's going on in Ipsy. And the first thing we have here is this Ipsy, don't know if I'm saying that right or wrong. Honestly, I don't know. Eyeshadow Magnetic Single, and this is in the shade Boho. This is what this looks like. I will take it out and swatch it for you guys. So this is what this looks like outside of the package. It's very soft. Ooh, and that's what that color looks like. That is a very nice, like, pinky mauve. I really do like. Next thing we got in here is this Ilium Sec coloring pencil. This is in the shade Honor. And I don't know if I'm saying this brand correct either, because half the time you can't pronounce any of these brands, so bear with me. This is just a coloring pencil, and it looks like it's in a brown, but like on here it makes it a yellow. So this is just an eye pencil. It's kind of rough, to be honest, but it's just a regular brown. Nothing too special about it. Next we got is a Luxie beauty brush, and this is a small contouring brush. This is what this looks like with the gold detail and the matte black holder, the end, and then it has like a divot to where you can put your finger, which is very nice, which is right there, which is pretty cool. And lastly, we have from Belen Argent. This is a lip gloss. This is in the color Lip. This is a Lip Lure. This is in the shade Bored Now. No. This is what this looks like. Is that an actual yellow? Or is that just clear? It's clear. But for me putting it on my hand, it's a sticky one. Like, if you don't like a goopy lip gloss, you're not gonna like this. And I can tell that just by applying it to my hand because it already feels like that. Alright, and that's the Ipsy bag. Sometimes I get stuff that I'm like completely like, I like none of the, my hair got in the lip gloss. Sometimes I get stuff in the Ipsy bag that like I literally can't stand, and I'm like, do you guys even look at my beauty preferences? Because you take a quiz and they're supposed to go off of that, but they really don't, because I never get any of the brands that I actually like other than Luxie, and that's every once in a while. And then like I've gotten a couple Tarte things, but like not all the time. So Ipsy's just sometimes like confusing. I don't get what the point of it is I really want to do the big box that they're going to be getting. Not the big box, but it's $25 a month instead of $10, and you get 5 actual size products rather than 5 little itty bitty products. And then you get a bag. Well, they said you're supposed to get a bag, but I think they just took that away. But like they're not releasing any information on it. Like, give me information on it so that I can get it. Like, come on. Next, we're gonna be doing the Sephora Play. I really like the Sephora Play out of the Ipsy one, and I used to do Birchbox too, but the Sephora one is my ish. So, and the first thing you get in the Sephora is a big sheet, and this theme is your 2019 Beauty Scope, and it literally tells you, it has all the signs, and it tells you what yours is going to be, and I will read mine, but I gotta change my battery. All right, we're back. Okay, so like I said, they give you this card, and I'm gonna read you what it says my horoscope is. So I'm a Taurus, and it says, Serenity does the body good for this Epicurean earth sign. Don't know if I said that right. You love soothing aromas and succulent flavors. Bring that calmness into your beauty routine with a tea or latte that's infused with skin-loving ingredients. And then on top of that, you get this extra 50 bonus points that you get, and you just give this card to the cashier, and you have to buy something, anything, doesn't matter what the price is, but as long as you just buy something, you get 50 extra bonus points that go towards your rewards. And then you open it up, and it actually tells you what you get, how to use it, and what it does. And I love that. So I'm gonna have this open so that I can grab out these things. So, first thing I have are these Miraggio Hair Care Nourishing Cleansing Cream and a Deep Treatment Butter. So they come in obviously a sample size. This is what they look like. So you have the one and then the other. And the next thing you get are these Breakouts in Retrograde. This is by Hum Nutrition. This is a daily cleanse, clear skin, and breakout supplement. So these are pills that you take. And these are, I don't know how many's in here. There's a decent amount in here. I can feel them. But you're supposed to take at least 2, I think. And it's to formulate an organic algae and 14 detoxifying herbs and minerals. And this pill assists in getting rid of the toxins and clears up your skin. There's that. Next thing we got is my Love and Behold favorite, is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Clay Mask to clear pores. There's a little sample of it, so cute. This mask is freaking awesome. If you want to see more of like what skincare I use, I will put down below my skincare routine that was updated that I did in Vlogmas. Next we have, this thing's so tiny. It is a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Look at it, it's so little. And this is a glass bottle, which is pretty cool. And then it's got the tag, and it's literally a little spray. So that is awesome. Next thing we got is this, well, I cannot pronounce this brand. Lange, right there. This is a water sleeping mask, and this is to hydrate your skin, and you can wear it at night, so you don't got to worry about, I don't think you gotta wash this off. It says apply evenly across the face, leave treatment overnight, and rinse off in the morning, and then use once or twice a week. That'll be fun to try out. And then lastly, we have a Bite Beauty stick. This is a matte cream lip crayon and glance. And I will show you what the color looks like. And then we're obviously going to swatch it. Ooh, that is a gorgeous color. It's a perfect nude. Alright, so that's what I got in the Sephora bag. And they've been giving you these. These are like recyclable bags now, which is pretty cool because they actually physically used to give you bags like the Ipsy one. So, I honestly really like the Sephora one better because I'm pretty sure everybody gets the same stuff throughout the thing, but like you're actually getting stuff that's like actually sold in Sephora and stuff that's actually like really good. Like I've gotten, obviously you saw I got Smashbox and Bite Beauty and Origins, but I've gotten Tarte, I've gotten Lancome, I've gotten Estee Lauder, I've gotten literally anything you can think of for a beauty brand, I've gotten. This is also $10 a month, and I would actually, no, you know what, I would highly recommend this over the Ipsy one. I personally like the Ipsy one, but I just get annoyed with all the samples, and you have to make sure you do a review whether you like them or not, or you're going to keep getting stuff from the same exact brands, which is annoying. Whereas Sephora, it's basically all just the same for everybody, and it's, you kind of get what you get deal, but like they're all stuff that's sold in Sephora, and I really do like that compared to the Ipsy one. And like I said, they're both $10 a month, so they're not breaking the bank for being expensive or anything. And I would consider doing the Ipsy one if they do the Glam Bag Plus, because that's 5 products that are full size, that are retailing like over $100, and you're getting it only for 25 bucks. Like, that's not that much, to be honest. Alright, so I guys hope you have a wonderful day, and it's really all I got for you. I wanted to show you guys the difference between the Ipsy and the Sephora Play, but not really like a difference, just showing you like what you can get in each and what they are. I thought it would have been pretty cool because I do get these 2 subscriptions and I like them. So if you have not yet, hit the subscribe button. We are a family, and I love having you all guys here, and it's nice and fun, and I like doing this and talking to you guys. So hit that subscribe button, like again, give this video a big like if you end up liking this video. Click that notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video, and that you can see if I post stuff on my community wall. I will see you guys on Sunday for our next video. Bye, guys!